Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about conditions in Python. So guys, now let's begin. First of all guys, I'm going to create a new file called conditions.py. And guys, now here in this file I'm going to talk about conditions. So first of all, here I'm going to first of all, let's talk about types of condition. So here first of all I'm going to talk about types of condition. So there are three types of condition. If, else, and elif. So these are three types of conditions. So first let's talk about if. If you want to use any condition, then first of all you have to use if. So for example, here I'm going to type here x equal to 5. This is a variable, and here if x is equal to 5, then if x is equal to 5, then guys, here you can see, then guys, print this is 5. Now guys, now you can see this, you're gonna see here, because if you want to use equal, then you have to type this. Now guys, you can see, now you can see if x is equal to 5, this means equal. If x is equal to 5, print this is equal. Now guys, you can see, now guys, now if we run this, then guys, you can see. So again I'm going to run this. Now guys, now if we run this, then you can see this is 5. So now if you change this number to 6, and now if you run this, then guys, you can see nothing, because x is not 5, x is 6. That's why this is showing nothing. Again guys, here we have done if x is equal to 5, then we can print this. Again guys, next let's talk about else. So first of all we have to use first of all I'm going to create a variable, and guys here I'm going to type 20. Then guys, now if we type now for first of all we have to type if a is 15, then we can print this is 15. This is 15. Then guys, now you can see, now if we run this, then guys, you can see nothing. Yeah, I'm going to clear this. Now guys, now if we type else and print this is 15, and guys, here you can see I'm going to change this to 20. And guys, now if we run this, then guys, you can see this is 15. First of all, Python will review this condition. Then guys, you can see this condition is not true, this is false. Next, this is going to move out to this condition else. Then Python will print this. Then guys, now let's talk about elif. Elif. Here I'm going to comment all of these. Now time is equal to 12. And again guys, now here I'm going to create a condition. Here, if time is smaller than 12, print this is time is smaller than 12. And guys, now next, here we're going to type else elif time is greater than 6, print time is smaller than 6. Then you can see time is smaller smaller than 6. But I'm going to type here time is bigger because time is bigger. And guys, here I'm going to type here time is smaller. And guys, now bigger. Greater than 6. Yeah, guys, now you have 15 this, then you can see time is greater than 6. You can see this condition. And guys, now next I'm going to type here else here I'm going to print this condition. This is wrong. This is wrong. And guys, now you can see. Now if you print this, then guys, you can see this is greater than 6. First of all, you can see we can't use if 2 times. That's why we have to use elif. And guys, now we can use elif as many times as we want. Yeah, guys, now you can see. First of all, Python will going to see this condition. This condition is false. Then Python will move to next condition, and this condition is true. Now Python will not going to this condition because this condition is true. That's why. Yeah, guys, now you can see. Now this is going to print this. So guys, now that's it. So guys, like this, if else elif works. So now that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more computer related video, then guys, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.